We want to talk to you a little bit about maintaining the dryer vent. Lint is typically a problem that causes dryers to reduce their ability to dry your clothes, as we can't get moisture out fast enough as lint starts to build up. Of course, it's very important to clean the lint trap, but we know that sometimes lint gets past that and ends up in the exhaust system for the dryer. So we ask annually that you come out and you take a look and make sure you can look underneath here and make sure that if there's any dryer lint that's in here, that you can pull it out and remove it, and that will help make your dryer more efficient and effective. The other thing you can do is with these typical hood vent exhaust ports like this, they just pop off with a little quick snap, and you can actually look inside and you can actually see if there's any debris in there. You can easily just reach in carefully so you don't cut yourself, and you can pull out that additional debris and make sure that you can keep your dryer working at its optimal level of efficiency and prevent any types of caution that may come from dryer lint getting stuck in the vent.